What's going on, you guys? Back at it again with another video for you today. Gonna get started tearing out the dash of the Skyline. Might get around to getting the carpets out as well. Had some guys around this morning just to degas the aircon system in the car, just so I'm gonna rip all that out. Don't leak the aircon gas all over the place and kill myself. Also did a compression test this morning. It's not looking great. Might have to rebuild the engine. It ranges from about 85 to 100 psi across the cylinders. Gonna have to do some research online to see if that's acceptable, but sounds a little bit tight to me, so we might have to do something about that. Yeah, guess we might as well just jump right into it, start getting done on the dashboard. For those of you that were interested in the compression test of the engine, here's the results. So up the front of the engine, not too bad, 95, 100, 195, 90, and then 85% PSI right at the back of the engine, just up there. Gonna have to figure out if that's good or bad, but that sounds a little bit low to me. Might have to do something, but hey, always looking for excuses to spend more money. So from my very limited experience with removing dashboards from Skylines, it's just an assortment of 10 and 12 mil screws and bolts, sort of just all the way around it. They're just hidden everywhere, really. So I guess what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start going through it. As I find them, I'll point them out. I know up the top here, underneath these two vents, I actually have to pop those out, and there's, I believe, one on each side there that has to be pulled out. Obviously, there's obvious ones in the front here. Behind this, there's more, like ones down the bottom. Yeah, obviously, I think I might actually just remove the glove box first, and those two upper vents. Try not to break those because those can be quite brittle. Once that's done, we'll start actually really getting into the meat and potatoes of this dashboard. Alrighty, first things first, to remove the dashboard on the Skyline, there's these two interesting little like clips, I guess, that hold in the actual hinge, just like that. They literally just slide out. There's one on each side, and then you just unbuckle it, and the whole thing pops out. So that's the two of them there. Bam! Old style mechanic right here. These upper dash trims should theoretically just pop right up. I believe they're connected in the middle though, so you have to do this one first and then that one so it doesn't break the actual clip. Looking from the top, you can see there's a bolt there, and then there's one on the other side in the same location. Just gonna get them from the top, I guess. See how that goes. So that was those two upper bolts just there. Bit of a pain in the ass with the glass, but got there with a screwdriver. Just gonna nail that one out, then it should expose a few more down here. One there, and then there's other ones everywhere. We'll find them. I think I might have to pop this off. That's that. And then we pull that off, up to the side. There we go, and unnecessary, no screws, but that's come off anyway. So we're just gonna nail up this screw, that one. This should pop off and then we'll have access to a few more. Alright, so it looks like I can't get this off until I take this under dash panel off. To get that off, there's a screw there, a nut there, well, not another side, which will drop this down. And then I think that should be it. We'll see, I guess.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes sound funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes sound funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
Okay, now that that side piece is gone, you can see there's a screw here, a nut here. Is there anything around here? Don't see anything over there, so we should be good. Yep, so one nut here, one screw here. I suspect I'm gonna have to take this back plate off, which is screw up there, a screw over here, screw down there, and there's probably some screws behind there. So as per usual, I'm a liar and there were heaps more than I thought. There was a screw down here, a screw over there, a screw at the top, two screws holding the latch in, and one screw there, and then this thing should come off now. Unfold that. Oh, I'm a dummy, gotta take this off too. Now that that's removed, this whole thing should theoretically just pop off, I thought. Alright, so there were two more clips, just here and here, holding the back of the glove box in. Broke one off, unfortunately. This one's holding on, kind of. I have to probably JB weld that on or something. Okay, now we can have a better look. So there's a bolt here, a bolt here, one on the side, just up here, and one there, just on the end there. I've got the two up from the top. I think this might be it. Get those undone and we'll see how we go. Yep, so just there behind the cluster, there's another 10mm which I missed. So theoretically, that's all the bolts I could find. Note for future self, on the very outsides the bolts, and then the screw type ones are towards the center. And then there's a 10mm nut that sits back there. So I guess we're just gonna try and yank this thing out, see how we go. So to get this dash out, it looks like these A-pillars are actually interfering, and on the sedan, I don't know if you can tell, there's no break in the A-pillar, which means this whole thing up until here has to come out. So I've got to unbolt all of these grab handles, figure out what to do with this, get that off. I believe there's a cover in here somewhere or something. To get this off, I have to get this off. So you're gonna have to undo the seals. Basically everything comes off. Alright, so I'm just gonna be set up over there. Gonna try whiz through all this, just do a time lapse, try to get it all off. Start pulling off those door sills, they just clip on, unfortunately. Nice and easy. Then gonna do these lower plastics, other plastics, and then hopefully the dash eventually. So that just clips off with some trim clips. Always dodgy with old cars, not wanting to crack plastics, but she came off clean. So that was an absolute nightmare. Had to pinch this while trying to flick up the cover that was over it using the world's biggest screwdriver. But got there eventually, so now I can unbolt this, pull off this upper trim piece.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let them know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star.
So, as you can see, it's all out now. I've got clear access to the dashboard here, so I should be able to come out. Obviously took the lower trim off, had to unbolt this, took the upper trim off, had to undo the little holding handle thingy back there, and I left the back in, but yeah, we're all good now. Just gonna have to do the exact same to that side. Okay, so that side's all out now as well. Just got it all sitting in the back of the car here. Theoretically, should be able to take the dash, otherwise I'll be finding bolts I just didn't undo. So let's give that a go now.
Shooting star, got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game, like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast, didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't shining like it's neon, rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Yeah, shoot. Yeah, shoot.
So as you see, we've got the dashboard out. There's the old one, there's the new one. They look the same. Guess we'll find out when we try to put it on the car. So fast forward about another hour, and all the carpet's out the car. No more dash. Inside's pretty well gutted. You can see there's these. You can see there's these air conditioning pipes that actually go to the back seats, which is pretty cool in the sedans. But yeah, I don't know if I'm going to strip in the interior anymore. I think this is as far as it needs to be for the repairs to be done. Carpet's just sitting out there with the dash. Gonna have to take that home because I don't have any room for storage in here. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Next time might start doing the boot, or who knows, see how we go. Yeah, that's it for today, and catch you in the next one. Peace.